Well, hi there. So right now, I'm just going to double check. It's about 11 o'clock in the morning. We've got a beautiful, beautiful bit of sunshine, a little bit of cloud. We're at Ashness Bridge in the Lake District. This absolutely gorgeous little waterfall here, and the bridge, and then the lake in the background. I've got a composition here where I've got a little bit of water in the foreground here, and just the leading all the way down to the bridge. What I might try and do is do a little bit of focus stacking, and we'll get a close-up shot of the rock just in front of me here, and then I'll take a shot of the bridge. So right now, I've got a 3-stop ND filter on. I've got a medium grad, just to darken down the sky a little bit, and I've got the polarizer on just to take out some of the bright sections. And this shot is just sensational. I'm loving it. So let's just, right now I'm taking a shot on the bridge using my remote control, of course. Okay, that's there, and we'll get a shot just on this little rock in front of me here. We've got a shot down there. Beautiful. I'm at 1/3 of a second. I'm at f7.1, ISO 50 on the Sony. Let's see how that one turns out. You're very cute. So we're still here. Our friend is gone. What I've done now is I've just turned the camera in a kind of a portrait mode here. You just got to remember when you do this that you got to spin all your filters, so you got to check your polarizer, make sure the grad's okay. Just gonna go for the same shot. There it is. One more. Beautiful. We'll have a look at it in portrait mode, see what you think. What a place. You got to come here. The Lake District in England on a beautiful sunny day. Doesn't get any better. Okay, check it out. Again. So we're back in, this is Lake Buttermere. Morning. Lake Buttermere, and in the Lake District in England. Beautiful spot, absolutely gorgeous. There's a fairly iconic shot here with this little white shack. I don't know if you can see that in the GoPro, but I've got it in the composition. I've got it set up slightly to the right. I've got this little fence coming in on the left-hand side with just a couple of pieces in the foreground for some interest. The light's been changing on us. It was a beautiful sunny day earlier with some clouds coming in right now, so I've got some light on the hillside as well. So let's just take a shot again here on the remote, on the Sony, and see what we get. So today we're heading up to Scotland. We're going to shoot lots of locations up in Scotland. I'll put some shots up from the Lake District. If you like it, give it a thumbs up. subscribe to the channel, all that stuff, and we'll see you in the next one. It's time for coffee. Bye for now.